So guys, welcome back. So while the rest of the guys are carrying on with the strip down on the white IS, some of the guys are assembling a lot on the E36 M3. I started already, we've all started basically now with the triple threes. So this year I'm just going to do a quick video for you guys on the brake shoe or the spring kit for the brake shoes. So a lot of the times you can buy the spring kit from the agents, and if they have it in stock, it's pricey, but also not that pricey. But again, we've got it complete. Nothing is damaged. Nothing looks damaged here. So I think, or I prefer actually restoring it. So we should have two sets here now, right? These are your mounting points, basically your accelerator, your handbrake cable comes through here, and then it hooks onto this guy, which sits basically between your shoes. So we're gonna restore these guys here, because you can see here, I'll bring it closer to you. You can see they look like crap. So these guys look like crap normally. So what we're gonna do is, again, we've got the option now of getting, basically making the colors that we would like to make it, or that I won't say see fit of making it, but we can play around, if I can call it that. See, yeah, this thing is so faulty. It's actually hard to pull apart. Okay, so this is basically one kit, right? So you got your two springs. I see there's some springs missing here. No, it's here. Yeah, there is two springs missing here. So that I'm sure I'll have spare off. Springs missing here, yes, and there's one set of. This is one side. This is another side, and these guys are missing as well from that other set. And you need 4 of these. This can be set here. There's 1, 2, 3. There's 4 there. These guys will go separately, but I'll just show you what we do with them. Anyway, so I must just check where's the rest of the stuff for this here. But anyway, okay. So basically, we're gonna start with the cleaning process, right? The cleaning process, again, these things are almost rusted up here, so you can't do much. You can't just come onto the wire wheel and clean them up and finish in class. So these silver springs, we prefer to keep them silver. Normally gold is a nice color, but we can either go with silver or with almost like a chrome like finish. But before we go through that process, then we need to go through this cleaning process. So again, guys, when we say restoration, it's easy for us to buy, go to the agents, have a fat pocket full of cash, buy whatever we need and put it together, and Bob's your uncle. In my eyes, that's a bulk car. That's a put together car. This year, where you're doing every single nut and bolt like this year is a restoration. Again, my opinion, the word restoration, a lot of guys have different meanings of it, but I think this is what we should look. Unfortunately, with these guys here, right, no one will ever get to see this unless someone does a replacement of shoes, brake shoes again later. But it's one of those items that just doesn't get seen. But if you're putting a car together and you've touched every other bolt and nut, I guarantee you that this year will irritate the hell out of you. So a lot of the guys are busy in the background. We're busy checking compression on one of the vehicles. We're working on the E28, the white E28 M5 as well. We're gonna do a nice video on this guy soon. We managed to start it up, but obviously there's no exhaust on it, so I'm not even gonna do a video on it now of the startup, because you can't really hear anything. And then we're just missing, I think, 2 more parts, and we can actually start test driving her. And then obviously the windscreen's gotta come in. But then basically testing will commence. And then, so what I'm doing here now, right, this is for 2 triple threes that we're gonna be doing. So one is gonna be number 6, the other one is gonna be the Aero Silver that's coming in. On the Escort, okay, now you guys got to watch out for these clips here, right? Because you lose them trying to find them again is a problem. So especially after plating, they always get lost. So it's a bit different. Okay, so yeah, we just want to basically give it a quick grind down, right? Just to get bulk of the grime off it because it's so thick. And you must remember something. This is basically been in the housing for the past 30, 40 years with all the brake shoe dust, fair dust and whatever other dust and normal dust that's accumulated in there. Everything has just been built up, basically. Everything has just built up in it. Okay, so what we've done is now just a quick clean up, and we're going to take from here, we're going to go back into the degreaser, rinse off, and then go back into the acids. So let's go for it, and then we're going to come back onto the wire wheel and do a polish up on it. Okay, so we're back out of acid. Let's see how clean we can actually get it. So it looks like we got them quite clean. Alright, so this here will still get another dip of acid afterwards. So let me go through this whole batch quickly and get it ready to be put on a wire, and then we're gonna plate it. So guys, we are done now with the brake shoe spring kit. You saw this kit looked when we started with it. It was messy, our hands were dirty. It took a lot of cleaning, but this is part of the restoration. See how new this here looks. This here you can buy it new. I see there is a part number here, but I mean, why would you want to buy this here new if you can restore it? It takes a bit of time, but it comes out. I think it looks very nice. It does look very nice. So this is the whole kit put together right now. I just want to show you the color combination here quickly. Where's this guy now? So this guy goes in here. This is copper. So this here there is a way to plate copper, but I don't have that solution at the moment. I don't really intend to have it anytime soon, because we don't plate much of the copper items. It's one of the clips that I'm missing here. Here they are. So your shoe sits on, this is your adjuster, right? So you normally adjust, where do you adjust the shape from the front? You normally turn this guy up and it will push the shoe back and forth. So you've got this screw in, let me just get this here on for you, like this here. So this will sit like this, right? Look at this color combo. This here looks nice. So we've got a nice chrome silver here, we've got a nice gold on the side here, the copper's got its gold there, and then you've got this clip here to lock your shoe so it doesn't move back. Basically your settings, your adjustments won't move out. So the clip sits on top of it like this here. But you've got this whole combination of colors, and this is what I was explaining to you guys earlier. You've got this whole combination of colors that you can actually experiment with and play around with, and I think it looks the part. Here's your springs here. These here came out nicely. They came out nice and silver. Then you've got your locking pins here. Where's that? I saw that right now. No, I can't find it. Here's the springs for each here, and here's the locking pins here. So we were silly. We should have actually made this here gold, but nonetheless, it still looks good. So this here locks your shoe in place here. This here goes basically through the backing plate. This here sits in the front. The spring there, it locks in. This here looks nice. So anyway guys, this is how everything came out. This is part of the restoration. This is the difference with buying everything from the agents or trying to get everything from the agents and just installing it in a vehicle. This is where you're doing, when we say you do a nut and bolt restoration, this is what it is. This is what it entails. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share our channel. Interact with us, let us know maybe what different colors that we can play with and what else you guys would like to see, and yeah, let's take it from there. The next couple of videos will be of the strip down. You can see the the white IS in the background. The drivetrain strip out will be on that. The red IS front suspension strip out, and I'll show you how the rear suspension is looking, how that looks now currently. And there's a couple other things. I think we're starting to assemble the suspensions for the 333s and so on like that. So that'll be the next couple of videos. Stay tuned for that, and thanks guys.